Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into one of the most enduring and beloved architectural styles in history, mid-century modern. But what does mid-century modern actually mean? Broadly speaking, this design movement spanned from roughly 1945 to 1969. It emerged during the post-World War II era as a way to bring modernism into the suburban landscape. The core meaning lies in the marriage of form and function. It's a style characterized by clean, geometric lines, a deep connection to nature, and an organic feel that avoids unnecessary clutter. Instead of the ornate details of previous eras, mid-century modern focuses on simplicity, flat or slanted roof lines, and vast expanses of glass that blur the line between the indoors and the outdoors. Choosing a mid-century modern design for your home offers more than just a trendy aesthetic. It provides a lifestyle centered on wellness and efficiency. One of the primary benefits is the abundance of natural light. Because these homes often feature floor-to-ceiling windows and open floor plans, they create a bright, airy environment that can significantly boost your mood and productivity. Furthermore, the emphasis on indoor-outdoor living encourages a closer relationship with your surrounding landscape, making even a smaller footprint feel expansive and connected to the earth. The functional nature of the design also means that every architectural choice serves a purpose, leading to a home that is easy to navigate, visually calming, and remarkably timeless. It's a style that rarely feels dated because its beauty is rooted in its simplicity. To make your mid-century modern exterior truly shine, you should focus on highlighting the architectural geometry while introducing varied textures. Start with a sophisticated color palette. Think earthy tones like olive green, ochre, or terracotta, contrasted with deep charcoals or crisp whites. Use natural wood siding or stone accents to bring warmth to the flat surfaces. Landscaping plays a massive role here. Consider xeriscaping or using structural plants like agave, palms, or ornamental grasses that mirror the home's clean lines. Don't forget the lighting. Geometric sconces or uplighting along the walkways can emphasize the home's silhouette after dark. Finally, ensure your entryway makes a statement with a bold-colored front door or unique hardware to provide that perfect pop of personality against the minimalist backdrop. The most successful mid-century modern homes rely on a few key hero elements that define the entire look. First and foremost is the roof line. Look for flat planes or dramatic shed roofs with wide overhanging eaves that provide shade and architectural interest. Another essential element is the use of mixed materials. Combining industrial steel and glass with organic wood and stacked stone creates a balanced, high-contrast look that is quintessential MCM. Integration with the topography is also vital. These homes are often built to follow the natural slope of the land rather than fighting against it. Inside and out, you'll also see the use of post and beam construction, which allows for those massive windows because the walls aren't the primary load-bearing structures. These elements work together to create a home that feels both grounded and incredibly light. Now, let's look at some stunning inspiration. Here are the top 10 mid-century modern home design ideas that you can use for your next project. One, the geometric glass pavilion. This design features an incredible use of expansive glass panels framed by dark, bold beams. The flat roof line extends over a raised deck, creating a seamless transition from the interior living space to the outdoors. The mix of vertical wood siding in a warm reddish-brown tone against black framing perfectly captures the sophisticated MCM contrast. 2. The classic low-profile ranch. A stunning example of the single-story MCM philosophy. This home utilizes a long, horizontal silhouette with a mix of traditional brick and warm wood paneling. The large slanted window at the end of the structure allows for a dramatic view of the interior, while the straight concrete walkway emphasizes the clean, minimalist approach to landscaping. 3. The multi-textured split level. This idea focuses on the beauty of natural materials. By combining a rugged stone facade with smooth wood panels and dark siding, the home achieves a layered, textured look. The asymmetrical roofline and the integration of large windows on the upper level make this a standout piece of modern architecture that feels both cozy and grand. 4. The dark brick contemporary. For a more moody and modern take, this design uses dark gray or charcoal brick paired with white roof trim. The orange tone front door provides a brilliant focal point. The use of a rain chain instead of a traditional downspout is a functional yet artistic touch that fits the mid-century spirit perfectly. 5. The industrial modular marble. This design showcases how MCM principles apply to modular or prefab structures. Featuring sharp angles, a dark gray exterior, and a prominent concrete garage base, this home looks like a sculpture. The lightwood accents under the eaves soften the industrial feel, while the tiered landscaping adds a sense of rhythm to the entrance. 6. The glass-walled sanctuary. This sprawling design is all about transparency. With floor-to-ceiling glass wrapping around the majority of the home, the interior light becomes part of the exterior decoration. The dark wood vertical siding and the flat roof with exposed beams create a rhythmic pattern that guides the eye across the entire property. 7. The natural integration home. This design literally builds around nature, as seen with the large trees integrated into the deck area. The use of black brick and light-toned wood creates a striking contrast. Small, elevated wooden platforms and minimalist seating areas demonstrate how to turn a front yard into a functional, stylish living space. 8. The two-story brick and beam. This home uses a classic red brick chimney and walls as an anchor for a light, floating second story. The balcony with minimalist railings offers a great vantage point, while the large windows on the lower level ensure the home remains connected to the grassy lawn. It's a perfect balance of solid masonry and airy glass. 9. The sculptural shed roof. Focusing on a dramatic shed roof that slopes toward the entrance, this home uses white plaster, dark metal, and horizontal wood slats to create a clean, futuristic look. The desert-style landscaping with rocks and succulents complements the sharp angles of the house, making it feel perfectly at home in its environment. 10. The cantilevered luxury design. A masterpiece of balance, this home features a cantilevered upper floor that hangs over the driveway, creating a built-in carport. The combination of white stone, vertical wood slats, and massive glass windows creates an ultra-luxurious feel. The curved driveway and manicured lawn provide a soft contrast to the house's rigid, rectangular shapes. Mid-century modern design is more than just a look. It's a philosophy that celebrates light, space, and a deep respect for the natural world. Whether you're looking to build from scratch or simply want to bring some of these elements into your current home, the principles of MCM offer a roadmap to a more beautiful and functional way of living. Thank you for joining us as we explored these timeless architectural icons. If you enjoyed this tour of mid-century modern design, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration and home decor tips. Which of the 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. We'll see you in the next video.